Welcome to our channel, where we explore the tranquil world of medicinal gardening. Today, we'll delve into the Zen of Medicinal Gardening and discover how you can find peace with the help of our medicinal garden kit. Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts! Are you looking to cultivate not only a garden but also a sense of peace and well-being? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the transformative power of medicinal gardening and how our medicinal garden kit can help you on your journey. Medicinal Garden Kit is designed to make medicinal gardening accessible to everyone, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner. It contains everything you need to start your own healing garden, from organic seeds to comprehensive gardening instructions. With the kit, you can grow a variety of medicinal herbs right in your backyard, including lavender, chamomile, and echinacea. These plants are not only beautiful additions to your garden but also potent allies in promoting health and well-being. But the true magic of medicinal gardening goes beyond just growing plants. It's about connecting with nature, slowing down, and finding peace in the present moment. When you're tending to your garden, you're not just nurturing plants, you're nurturing your soul. I can't tell you how much joy I've found in spending time in my medicinal garden. Whether I'm harvesting herbs for tea or simply sitting among the plants, I feel a profound sense of calm and contentment wash over me. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of healing and self-discovery, I encourage you to give medicinal gardening a try. And what better way to start than with our medicinal garden kit? Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy gardening and may you find peace in every bloom.